We really valued the integrity of kitchen solvers. We had bad experiences with contractors in the past, and you came in here, you kept your word, you did a great job, and we were just very pleased with it.
The kitchen solvers really, they stood up really, really well. I think out of the four, integrity and respect jumped straight to the front of my mind. Respect for time, and then also integrity of actually doing what they said they were going to do when they said they were going to do it. So we were very impressed with that.